Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create a script with Twice and put together an entire video in a matter of minutes with the new feature of InVideo. Like everybody else, InVideo is harnessing the power of AI, and these new tools are going to make creating video in videos even faster. The first one is script writing tool is utilizing AI right in the InVideo platform. Now they have a new more realistic video voice generation with AI, so you can create the script and then generate the voiceover in a snap. If you are not familiar with InVideo, I will link to our longer demo video I have down below. But basically it's not online video creation platform, but I like to say bridge the gap between people who really want to learn actually and people who want to have simplistic video creation tools like Canva video. InVideo is a little bit more in the middle. It has a lot more functionality and it gives you a lot more creative control, but you don't need to be a professional to use it. Let's just dive right in InVideo in new tools. Here I am on my InVideo dashboard. To use the script feature, we are going to select a text to video here, and then I am going to provide some templates. Now they don't get to hang up on background images on this tablet because you can change all of those what I'm really looking for it. So I like to design of it. Yeah. Do I like to layer and the graphical elements? What I need, I'm going to select the templates here. I get the new window where I can get closer look at the templates. I can also preview what I would like to, other aspect ratios. I am going to select the portrait layout and then I'm going to hit use template button. Right here on the top of the left of the screen, you are going to see ask AI to write your script. I am going to type on my prompt, which is write a 2-minute script about how to post a YouTube video. Make the sentence short and then tone friendly and conversational. Now I just hit the generate button and I wait. Now that my script is generated, I can review it here, and if I wanted to, I could just type in other changes to it. But I'm going to leave it as now. I'm just going to select create sentences and it's going to auto suggest images to me. I will be honest, I find that this feature doesn't really work that generate. I always suggest images and videos to make, and I don't think really makes sense at all with my script. But that's okay because there are tons of stock images and I can pull from and select drop right into the templates. Once you have dropped in all over the shots, head back over the script and let's generate those voiceover. I'm going to select the first line and I'm going to select this voiceover button and the bottom, and then I'm going to select the automatic text to speech, and then below here there are a few options. I have selected realistic, which is the new AI voice, and then we select our language and then we can choose from the multi-language of different voice. I think Brooklyn sounds pretty natural. I'm going to select general voice. Once I am happy with it, I can add this voiceover, but if I want to the same voice through my entire video, I just have to check this box, hit the add button, and now all of my voiceover have populated my project. There we go. The first that I created the script drop on my video shots and generated voiceover all in video. If you want to check out the video, I will link it down below. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I picked out some other videos I know you are going to love, and I will see you again.